Hi there, so this is the easy, speedy turban tutorial. The first thing you're going to need is stretch fabric, and it needs to stretch in this direction. So when you've cut your two pieces out, fold them right sides together. And I'm going to use an overlocker, but you could use a stretch stitch on a domestic sewing machine, so a lightning bolt stitch or a ladder stitch, and sew that long edge together. And then repeat it with the other colour. Now turn them so that wrong sides are together and right sides are out. Now go to your iron and press them flat, and when you press them you want to make sure that seam is sitting right in the middle. Right, so place one with the seam up and the other with the seam down. Then bring the first one so the ends are together, and the second one so the ends are together. And then just place them together like this. Now take the back one and turn it and bring it to the front one like this. So it's really easy to get confused now, so make sure you put a pin in the two middle pieces like that. So just for me, the two black ones. Now we're going to sew together the back two and the front two. Now hold the middle two pieces and turn the other two pieces out like that. Now come to your regular sewing machine. Place those two seams on top of each other and stitch together to secure them. Don't forget to tuck up those overlocking threads as you go. So trim off any stray threads, take out the pin, and you're finished. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again soon.